This is Mr. Mark, and in this video I'm going to show you how I use a Google Sheet that I created to help me create and list YouTube tags for my videos. So if I'm doing a video, for example, right now I'm doing this video that's related to YouTube tags, what I do is I just type that phrase into this spreadsheet, right, YouTube tags. And what it does, for one, on this side, is it creates a tag by adding a comma to the search phrase. Number two, it creates a link that when I click on it, it does a Google Trends search on that phrase. And if you haven't seen my video on Google Trends search, you should watch my video so you can get a better idea of why Google Trends is something that's important for you to use. Okay, now I'll go back here, and what I will do is I'll just add some more search phrases, right? YouTube tags, get more YouTube views, and what I do is I try to mix up my phrases. Get more YouTube views, get more views on YouTube, right? So I try to play with the words a little bit, right? I can also put increase YouTube views. All right, so that's 4 different phrases, which is pretty good. And what I'm going to show you now is how I take these, copy and paste them into YouTube. Now, you might say, why do I even need this YouTube tags? Because here's the thing, if I try to take these and copy them, just like that, here's what will happen, right? When I try to copy and paste these from that column, it comes out as one big tag, which is not what I want. I want separate tags. So that is why I created this column, which adds the comma next to each search phrase. So when I copy this, okay, the red section, and I paste it here, you will see that it pastes the separate tags because it is put in a comma after each one, right? You have to separate the tags, okay? And so you might say, well, why even do this, right? I mean, why not just type these into YouTube like we usually do? And the reason why I started doing this is because sometimes I want to use the same tags again. Now, if I come up with like 20 tags to use for this video, and then I create another video and I want to use the same tags, I don't want to type in all 20 tags all over again. So the beautiful thing about this is once I list all of my different tags, once I list all my search phrases in here, right, when I create another video, all I have to do is, again, highlight the tags, copy, and paste them into YouTube. Right, that saves a lot of time instead of retyping. So this way, I'm really only having to type these phrases one time, right? I don't even have to type them. Also, if you're using Google Trends, you don't have to type them on Google Trends either, because you have this automatic link that when you click it, it's just automatically bringing you, right, to the Google Trends. And then you can change whatever you want here to YouTube. You can change it to worldwide over here, right, to see how this particular phrase is being searched. So, and it's being searched, you know, on a pretty regular basis apparently, right? So this is something that I think is useful, that I'm using, and I'm sharing it with other people. And the other thing that I have is the category, and really this is really just for me, so that, and you should use it too if you're going to use the spreadsheet, because not everything is going to be related, right? So like these search phrases are related to YouTube, right? So I put YouTube for these search phrases, but then I might have something that's related to like products, right? So I might have some search phrases related to products. So I might put, for example, an example that I used in my other video, I might put winter hats, right? I might put men's cap, right? I might have these other things, and for me this is a different category, right? And one of the things you can do, I have this filter. If you're, you know, really into this type of thing, you can actually use the filter and you can just check off the ones that you want to see. So if you don't want to see the products, you can just select YouTube and click OK, right? And then you will only see the ones that you want to see, right? And when you want to see all, you just put it back to all and you click OK. All right, so I will share this Google Sheet in the description of this video, and if you find this useful, please let me know. Leave me a comment. Let me know if you use this and if you think it's useful, if you would like to use it. And again, I'm sharing it from my Google Drive. You will open it, but then you'll have to make a copy from there. Also, visit my website and subscribe. right? Leave your name and email, your first name and email. And what that will do is when I come up with a new video and new ideas, I can actually email you so that you'll know that I put up a new video. And of course, you can subscribe to the channel as well. And but basically, leave comments. Let me know if you use this and if you think it's useful. I would really love to hear from people and hear what they think about this and if they think it's useful to them or not useful to them. Either way. So thanks for watching and take care.